Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use silicone adjustable cup that we designed together with Fluid Art Co. It's from hard silicone, it cleans really well, it has adjustable dividers so you can have, from 1 to 6 chambers into your cup. You can have your chambers, different sizes, and this is what I will do today. I will not have the same size chambers for all the colors, so I will add black and white here, and in the middle I will add some color. So I will go with Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep, Amsterdam Carmine. Those are colors that we used yesterday on my live. They are viewer's choice and I really like them. And this is Cardinal Red, Diox Purple, and Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. And I will go once more. This cup is 7 ounce one, so I think that I will not fill it just over the top. I will fill it a little over the half, I think, or it's 9 ounce. Probably it's 9 ounce. Sorry, I'm not sure. This cup will be available on Fluid Art Co. It's in mass production right now, but I have to work with it and see how it works and show that to you, that you will get maybe a little bit excited to have it too. I just add a little more yellow. like that. I will add some flow extender around. So it's so many possibilities with this cup, you know. I want to have this black and white just like, you know, not maybe as much as the other colors, but I still get this white kind of a tree here in the middle that I really like. So let's tilt this out to see how it looks. Okay. I will go back in the middle and I will spin it out now. I still have quite some paint left in my cup, so I will probably grab a little canvas or coaster. Okay, and now I will stop because I have to see what I want to get rid of. Okay, this is the close-up of the wet results. I don't know why I get these weird cells going on today. Maybe because it's cold and paints act a little different, but this part is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So you see, the things that were in the middle colors are kind of a background, and black and white created the tree. This is what I was kind of going for, hoping for, so I'm happy. Not so happy with the reaction of my paint, but that's how it is. I can't wait to play with it, with this cup some more, and I can't wait that I will be able to tell you that you can buy it now, but you will have to wait a little more to try it on too. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!